Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
First of all, let me introduce myself first. My name is Kalsum Fatina and I'm from Amazing Class. Today, I want to share my story, what I usually do on Sunday. Okay, start from morning, ya. In the morning, I usually wake up at 4 a.m. Nah, and then I pray subuh. I pray subuh first, and at 4:30 a.m. I will take a bath first. When after I take a bath in 5 a.m. I membersihkan kamar what? Tidy up my bedroom. And after I tidy up my bedroom, I will washing my clothes. Nah, after I closing my clothes, I will dry my clothes in third floor on my boarding house. And I usually done at 6 a.m. And after that, after I dry my clothes, I will jogging to Senja Field or CFD. And then I done when I jogging, I'm done at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. And after I go back to my boarding house, I usually take a bath again. And after I take a bath, I will cook rice, cook food for me to eat. And after I cook, at 11 a.m. usually my friends in my boarding house invite me to gym together at Gym Sehati. After that, I go with my friend with riding bicycle, and at 11:30 a.m. I in Gym Sehati, and then I go boarding house at 2 p.m. and then I sleep until 4 p.m. and then after sleep I study at night. Okay, thank you for your